Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to delete all photos from iPhone. So to do this, you just simply go ahead and go to your photos. And now one way to delete all your photos, you just simply go for select at the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to select multiple by holding and selecting multiple at once. And of course, select delete at the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to delete the entirety of all photos, you could go for the X icon on the bottom right corner. And after that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here media types. So go ahead and select media types category and you should be able to see selfies, live photos, portraits. So from here, just simply go ahead and select a specific category. For example, guys, portrait. And from here, I should be able to see all of the portraits that I have taken. And after that, select at the top right corner. And from here, you will have an option select all and you should be able to delete it at the bottom right corner of the screen. And pretty much, guys, you can do that on other categories over here as well on the media types. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and thanks for watching.